Calculate the electronic configuration of d block element scandium to zinc. We know the electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d10 for up to 30 element. If the element is present near the helium, then we first write helium, then the rest orbital. This is same for the noble gases. This is same for other noble gases. First we write the scandium. Scandium atomic number 21. So 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 3p6 4s2 3d1, and in short we write Ar means argon 18. So note that 2 4 6 10 12 16 18 and 4s2 3d1. For titanium, Z equal to 22. So the configuration Ar 4s2 3d2. For vanadium, Z equal to 23. So the configuration is Ar 4s2 3d3. For chromium, this is important, Z equal to 23. The configuration is Ar 4s2 3d4, but this configuration is wrong because this is unstable. So the correct electronic configuration is Ar 4s1 3d5. Due to half field of d5, this configuration is more stable than previous. Then amine, manganese 25, manganese Ar 4s2 3d5. Next we move to iron, Fe 26, Z equal to Ar 4s2 3d6. Next move to cobalt 27, Ar 4s2 3d7. Next move to nickel, A9, nickel 28. So configuration is Ar 4s2 3d8. Next copper, this is also important, Z equal to 29. So Ar 4s2 3d9. This is unstable, so the correct electronic configuration is Ar 4s1 3d10, because the d orbital is completely filled up, so the electronic configuration is stable. Next move to zinc. Zinc is 30. So Ar 4s2 3d10. Thank you for watching.